Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Always Secured Automation. Do you know that a single cyber incident can cost an organization millions and damage its reputation forever? That's why exactly ISO 27001 is not optional anymore, it's essential. In this video, I will explain the key advantage of an information security management system or ISMS based on ISO 27001 in simple and practical way. What is ISMS? An ISMS is a systematic approach to manage sensitive information including people, process and technology. ISO 27001 provides the international standards for establishing, implementing, maintaining and continuously improving this system. Now, what are the advantages of ISO 27001? The first one is security of information. The first and the most important advantage is information security. ISO 27001 protects all types of information, digital data, paper documents, emails, databases, and even verbal information. It does not matter where the data is stored, on servers, laptops, cloud, or files. The standard ensures it is confidential, accurate, and available when needed. Number 2. Effective response to security threats. Cyber threats are increasing every day. Malware, ransomware, phishing, insider threat, etc. ISO 27001 helps organizations identify risk in advance, implement controls, and respond effectively to incidents. Instead of reacting after damage happens, organization becomes proactive and prepared. Number 3. Good governance and security culture. One of the strongest benefits of ISO 27001 is top management involvement. The standards clearly define role, responsibility, and accountability. It also requires security awareness training so employees understand their role in protecting information. This builds a strong security culture, not just technical control. Number 4. Reduced costs related to information security. Security incidents are expensive. System downtime, data recovery, legal penalties, and reputation loss. ISO 27001 requires regular risk assessments, help organizations identify and treat risk easily. This significantly reduces the cost of incident and avoids major financial losses. Number 5. Compliance with laws and regulation. ISO 27001 aligns with many global regulation standards such as GDPR, PCI, DSS, local cybersecurity, and data protection law. By implementing ISO 27001, organization achieves partial or full compliance with multiple regulations at once, saving time and efforts. In critical sectors like power plants, utilities, automation system, and OT environment, ISO 27001 plays a crucial role in protecting operational data and ensuring business continuity. Now let us summarize. ISO 27001 helps organizations secure information, respond effectively to threats, build strong governance, reduce security cost, achieve regulatory compliance. That's why ISO 27001 is not just a certification, it's a business enabler. If you found this video useful, hit like button, subscribe to Always Secure Automation for more videos on ISO standards, cybersecurity, and industrial automation. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.